Today I'm going to take a step back and answer a very important question. What is digital marketing? Then I'll go into the different types of digital marketing. And for those of you that stay until the end, then you'll also be able to see an Inc. 5000 company use digital marketing with actual examples. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the least expensive and most effective way to grow a business. It's a fraction of the cost of traditional marketing. It's the fastest way to interact with your customers. It's the most targeted form of advertising available. It's a great way to build trust and build your brand. And it's quite literally the most measurable and scalable form of marketing available. Hi everyone, it's Sherman at LYFE Marketing, the #1 agency for small business marketing. If you don't want to miss out on any information that can help you grow your business, then I'd advise you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Today I'm going to take a step back and answer a very important question. What is digital marketing? Then I'll go into the different types of digital marketing. And for those of you that stay until the end, then you'll also be able to see an Inc. 5000 company use digital marketing with actual examples. All right, so what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is marketing through the internet. And by marketing, we are referring to the set of activities that's used to create, communicate, and deliver value to your customers. So by using digital marketing, you're effectively doing this through the internet. So that's what digital marketing is, but why should you use digital marketing? Here are the benefits of digital marketing in 5 words. It's fast, interactive, inexpensive, targeted, and measurable. And if I'm being honest, it does all 5 of these things way better than traditional marketing. Like seriously, what do you think is faster? Cold calling 100 people or sending 100 text messages and emails? And how do you even interact with a radio ad anyway? Is that even possible? Meanwhile, your customers can interact with you directly through social media advertisements. In regards to cost, a TV ad will cost you about $20 to reach 1,000 people. Meanwhile, social media marketing will cut that cost in half to reach the same audience. And look, the targeting is not even comparable. Not only can you target by demographics, behaviors, and specific geographics, but you can also target custom audiences. Custom audiences like audiences of people who recently visited your website or contacted your business. And last thing here, and we'll move on, digital marketing is measurable. You can quantify your results. Once tracking is installed on your website, you will be able to see conversion data on your website. And then you can take a step back and determine what's working, what's not, and ultimately scale your business. So by now you should know the what and why of digital marketing. Now let's talk about the how. In order to understand how digital marketing works, you need to first understand the different types of digital marketing. Here are the 6 types of digital marketing. Your website, first and foremost, search engine optimization, content marketing, pay-per-click or PPC advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. Now, while these are 6 different types of digital marketing, they actually work best when they're used in synergy with each other. With that said, let's walk through a digital marketing campaign together so you can fully understand what digital marketing is. All right, so for this example, we're going to be taking a look at Kaitu Life Super Coffee, which was just founded in 2015 and has grown by over 11,000% in the last 3 years to rank in the number 18th spot on the Inc. 5000 list. And in case you're wondering, I've never heard of them. I picked this example randomly so that I can show you how digital marketing works and how you can take away these things to grow your business. So let's go ahead and look at their digital marketing to see how they achieve such massive growth. All right, number 1, their website. The first thing you will find is that they have an amazing website design. It clearly shows their product, what makes it unique, and even includes some customer testimonials. In order to be successful at digital marketing, you must have an effective website. Your website is the centerpiece of all of your marketing. So in other words, if you have a crappy website, then you will probably have crappy results even from the best digital marketing campaigns. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, then please help me out by smashing that thumbs up button for me below. All right, number 2, search engine optimization. Once your website is set up, the next logical step is to invest into search engine optimization, which is also referred to as SEO. You will want to make sure that people can find your website when they're looking for it. And based on what I can find, Kaitu is ranking for over 1,800 keywords and generating over 40,000 visitors for free from Google. For example, they rank number 1 for the keyword super coffee in Google. Now, this one keyword gets searched over 27,000 times per month in just the US alone. And because they have optimized their website correctly for this search term, they show up first on Google's organic search results. This means that they're getting thousands of traffic for free from Google. And all of this is accomplished through SEO. SEO is the process of improving and optimizing your website to rank higher in the search engine results. Number 3, content marketing. The next big piece of digital marketing is content marketing. Content marketing will help you generate trust once people find your business. Now, content marketing is all about creating value. You basically want to provide free information that guides people closer to buying your products. This can be done through blogging, ebooks, videos, and so much more. Now let's take a look at Kaitu. Kaitu uses content marketing to answer frequently asked questions that their customers likely have during their buyer's journey. Number 4, PPC advertising. Content marketing and SEO is very effective, but it takes a lot of time to work. So to speed things up a little bit, you might throw in some PPC advertising. PPC advertising is a fast way to drive traffic to your website, except that traffic normally comes at a cost. PPC, which stands for pay per click, refers to paying for every click on your digital advertisements. These type of ads are most commonly used on search engines. When we discussed SEO, I discussed that Kaitu ranks number 1 for super coffee organically in the search results. Here, we can also see that they run PPC advertisements on the same search phrase. They have a paid ad that appears at the top of the phrase and an organic listing that appears below the ads. So basically, whenever someone searches for super coffee, they are dominating the search results. Number 5, social media marketing. Social media marketing is a great way to build awareness and trust while directly interacting with your target audience. It basically consists of creating and publishing small pieces of content on a consistent basis. This content should inform, inspire, or entertain your audience. And in order for it to work, you need to make sure it reaches your audience. And Kaitu's Instagram page is certainly not lacking this. They have over 75,000 followers as a result of them consistently posting content that not only reflects who they are, but who their customers are as well. Number 6, email marketing. With all of these digital marketing activities in motion, you'll likely start generating traffic to your website in no time. This is good, but to maximize your revenue, you may need to push your hottest leads just a little bit to get them to pull out their credit cards and ultimately buy from you. And that's where email marketing comes into play. Email marketing is perfect for staying in front of interested leads or previous customers on a consistent basis, which is why there's no surprise that Kaitu is offering 25% off their products to acquire the email addresses of people who subscribe to their email list. And while I'm not on their email list, I'd imagine they're sending a bunch of emails to educate their subscribers and promote their products. All right, so that's what digital marketing is all about. Now let's go ahead and recap today's episode. Today we answered the big question: what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is marketing through the internet. Why should you use digital marketing? Well, because it's fast, interactive, inexpensive, targeted, and measurable. And then lastly, we discussed the different types of digital marketing using Kaitu as an example. The different types were website design, SEO, content marketing, PPC advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. Look everyone, we're all about small business marketing. So if you don't want to miss out on a future episode that can help you grow your business, then hit that subscribe button for me below. I'll see you in the next episode.